Could this AI startup put WebMD out of business? Digital medicine is a $185 billion market in just the US alone. But applications like Healthline and WebMD offer generic ad-driven results because they know nothing about the user. AI has come along and has the potential to change all of this. The problem is that AI models suck up and capture data, making the idea of sharing sensitive information with a healthcare application to get personalized medical advice dangerous and in some countries illegal. This is why companies like Samsung and Apple have prohibited employee interaction with tools like ChatGPT. If this problem isn't solved, AI healthcare will end up being an incremental change and not a revolutionary change. Instead of getting a personalized WebMD that knows you, you're just going to get a slightly cooler WebMD that doesn't know anything about you, but it's more fun and interesting to chat with. But RoboMD is built on Seneca, which means it can run AI and provide hyper-personalized results based on anything and everything: age, medical records, prescriptions, sexual history, whatever information that is relevant to determining someone's health. And with Seneca's zero-knowledge environments, both RoboMD's proprietary IP and the user-sensitive data is never shared or out of the control of the data owners. So let's take a look. I'm interacting with RoboMD, and I have given it permission to interact with my medical records in a zero-knowledge environment. I give it my symptoms, and instead of giving me some blog article about being dizzy or having a headache, it actually gives me a diagnosis. But even better, it notices that it doesn't have my prescription data. So I give it permission to interact with my prescriptions, and this highly relevant information changes the response. Turns out that more than likely my symptoms are related to an adjustment to one of my prescriptions, and it changes the diagnosis accordingly. As a user, I can bring in any sensitive data and not try to guess what information might be relevant, and I can do it without fear that I'm actually sharing it with anybody, or fear that it goes out of my control. So the question is, why would anyone use Healthline or WebMD when interacting with RoboMD doesn't just give them a better answer, but it gives them the right answer?